Fazare, Fazare. Oh, wonderful. I love this. Oh my god. My. Welcome to Worship channel. I'm gonna see a Dhow cruise at Kani. Going today. Dhow cruise, Dubai Dhow cruise. So I'm so excited and I will let you know by that time. So yes, get start guys. My MC give you saying Fazadra. You can see the view, beautiful view and sunset view. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to share this video. And we have iftar party on Dhow cruise. So it's already 6 o'clock. So let's see, and I will let you know. So I'm quite chocolate. You can see we are on boat, but we will ride this that boat. Sini tuong guys.
So you want to try sir dinner in Dhow cruise?
Yes.
With food, I will show you sir. Explain.
See, I'm heritage. I have the old gold soap, old style. Same like a company. You can see here everything. It look like all ancient and can see buildings and all, but it is in luxury inside. Em hojik ready wearing later see sini boat ado so may ngali sini. So stay tuned. This is the boat where we'll go, and yeah, I'm so excited to go. And stay tuned. I will update you. This is the, we are get inside to Dhow crew. Jik nam changle. Oh, so beautiful and huge also, guys. Welcome, welcome. Drink, kawa. I don't have. I should throw this bottle, not this. So yes, this. So meow. Entrance. We see meow. Wow. The buffet area. This is actually good. It's actually good. Oh my god. Wow. There's small boat out there. Boat macha ma lai re. Okay. Oh, they kept backside VIP seats. So they're providing welcome drinks here, pomegranate juice, and yeah, I'm young min na si. So this is the rooftop of Duga. I'm here. View saying mo boat tagi. And seagulls are flying. Yung Fazodro. Say nung may hore. Say VIP sit ne. Starter pire hai. And this is a welcome drink. Cheers guys. Hojik pung nipan tare. Nipan ka minute taram chale. Almost minute mga taram changi. After 8:30 to start tau gani 10 o'clock ho ne. So yeah, say aduga fireworks tau gani miyam yang na say. Stay tuned guys. Don't forget to share this video. Also will be here. So stay tuned. We'll watch until end and don't forget to share this video. So yeah, this is the thing. You can see this is the upper deck side and it is so beautiful. It's so mesmerizing. They are decorated. 8:44 chatle hojik crew is starting and you can see the view. How beautiful is this? Oh my god, this is amazing view. You can see people are coming. We are also, but we are only people is less. This is good, no crowd. but you can see other side there's too much crowded, guys. And yeah, we want peace as well, and we want to go peacefully like this. This, you can see, full overcrowded, but our crew is like, oh my god, see, not much people here. This is so good, and I love this kind of crew. And one thing, अगर यहाँ से फ़ोन गिर गया डायरेक्ट सी में, it's like no barrier outside, you know. This is crazy. I feel scary also. And getting started. See, oh man, you can see all boats are, we are traveling towards the Dubai. That Al-Sif, this is Al-Sif area, by the way. See, Al-Sif area.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh my god, announce
for your next experience, the show continues with the Tanoura.
Tanoura,
This
okay?
is an Egyptian folk dance derived from the whirling dance performed as a Sufi religious practice of remembrance or invocation of God,
This is the buffet area.
and is also known as the whirling dervish.
Oh my god. There's
The
two,
colours of the skirts represent
sorry.
different stages of
There's
life, all the way from Egypt.
brother,
Please welcome.
can I go upstairs? Oh, that's good. Okay, so I will go upstairs, guys. So I am upstairs, guys. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god, yeah, this is so cool. I love this. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh, we can take good. See, oh ma'am. Cool. Okay, there is show is happening. You can see. Mấy anh chị mình tàu tầm không biết tâm. Fazari. So actually, xem mèo. Đồ chúng em phàm ấy chỉ là số lầy đấy. Who will drive our Titanic? Yes, sir. Sir is driving. Hi, sir. How are you? See, this is the driver who drive this beautiful crew. I want to go that side. Oh, what is this? Này đây.
You need a spin.
He has, whoa, wonderful. It is so beautiful. Actually, you have to learn something about this. Otherwise, you can't do. Really good. There's Infinity Bridge over here. It's trying. Infinity Bridge crossed already. People are having dinner, but I don't want to have now because I want to capture the moment. And I can show you from top Let me check. I think it might be missed. Wait, sorry. But I missed. Okay, no problem. Oh, there's side port. I think this says side port is the version overflow. You can see Infinity Bank, Infinity Bridge, another side, outside. There's port. The people import export are doing. There's ships and all. And I don't know where it will go, but this side is totally dim. There is nothing outside there. Yes, I think they are started some construction and all. And yeah, this side is port and all. And there's the Infinity Bridge. You can see, I think, yeah. If we get far, we'll see. Might grow better, I think. सब लोग खाने के पीछे भागे हैं. I don't want to eat now. Yeah, but we have to start. I know. थोड़ी देर के बाद खाऊंगा मैं. This is Infinity Bridge, guys. We can see Infinity Bridge here. This is actually UAE flag. You can see green, red, and white, and they mix with like green flag. UAE flag. Yeah. So yeah, this is the thing. I will show you when it will come good place or something, and I will go down and have dinner as well because I have to on time. So yeah, this is the place. This is Infinity Bridge. You can see towards Sharjah or something like that. I don't know. So they started serve dinner. This is the desserts and all, and they have Indian. Oh, so I'm so sorry. Chicken tikka like this. Everything is here. It's actually pretty good, and yeah, and rice. I think this is rice items and all. And this is Arabian salads, mixed hummus and everything. This is chicken mandi. Oh, this is chicken mandi. What I said, veg fried. And this is pasta, paparazzi. This is soya manchurian. Okay. Dinner serve tàu trời mềm tàu đâu dinner ấy số lông nào bắt tàu rồi kìa. Take this salad. I love this salad. Oh my god. Thank you so much. One. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. And this is sweet. After having all this, we can have this. One more. I don't have anything to do. Yeah, I'll take spoon. Brother, if you don't mind, please. Sorry, yeah. Please pour some. I'm so sorry. I want more. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. So done. Okay, done. Because I could see hang me. Adudra, before the it's so crazy. And yeah, this is my dinner. And yeah, this is my drink. It's almost finished. Oh, we are back. We can see firework by 10 o'clock. So yeah, I'm having dinner now. Then after dinner, I will catch up with you guys. This is the cup. Yeah, thank you. So, this is a museum. This museum, guys, Dubai Museum. See ni. Hi, Bobo. Yam nungai tap ni. Tasing na yung 70 dirham lawe ko mi amam ke. Ado. Chat ke hai the click harbor side to chat pi koi so theng aba du na sing mafam du chat pani. Creek Harbor side kitus mathang ai myam do chanabo hon najarke ke adum afam I vibe tin yam like vibe is so good but vibe is good but yeah, I prefer to go marina side or creek side. This is not worth it if you want to go this side. If you want to go Dhow or something, I will tell you go creek side or marina side because this is usually you can see with normal that 1 dirham crew or something. It is usually we can go, so it's not make sense to go with this. I will recommend you guys. So yeah, but is it actually food and everything service actually good? But if you want to see view, good view or something, if you want to enjoy, then yeah, you have to go creek side or marina side. This is my opinion. So yeah. See 1 dirham. Bây giờ bây giờ bao nhiêu bây giờ bao nhiêu tiền lấy đây? Tôi cái nào căng vậy? Cái chỗ này ai gì? Ai biết đi? Cái slope này, nó ta cái lồi iPhone cả. I lost everything. I lost. I thought phone will like trouble. If you don't have phone, oh my god, everything will lose like that. This bird Dubai. Yeah, want some fruit. Dessert pit, you can see it's beautiful. A little like guys, everything is done and now by 10 o'clock it will fireworks here. So yeah, we are waiting for that. 9:44. So that these people are for fireworks. Those were lightnings. So light ka bagalay di siya. Seeing si Ray kapala ka doon yung firework to. So yeah, fireworks happening. Finish! 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 This crew experience is almost done. So how is the video? Please comment down below. Now video is come down. Comment down below. Video share down below. Me follow down below. Also subscribe down below. I will show you about Dubai UAE most experienced things and all. I will share with you guys. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Finally, we are done with this dinner crew. It's not much attractive, but we enjoy. So yeah, that's it for today. See you next time. Love you all. Goodbye.